Hello everyone, this is English with Faz. In today's lesson, we're going to learn vegetable names. So, let's get started. Potato, potato. Tomato, tomato. Onion, onion. Carrots, carrots. Cucumber, cucumber. Corn, corn. Zucchini, zucchini. Cabbage, cabbage. Radish, radish. Beetroot, beetroot. Eggplant, eggplant. Lettuce, lettuce. Broccoli, broccoli. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Bell pepper, bell pepper. Green beans, green beans. Mushrooms, mushrooms. Peas, peas. Artichoke, artichoke. Spinach, spinach. Sweet potato, sweet potato. Asparagus, asparagus. Kale, kale. Hot pepper, hot pepper. Spring onions, spring onions. Garlic, garlic. Ginger, ginger. Time for the quiz. So what's the name of this vegetable? Zucchini. Good job. Now what's the name of this one? Eggplant. Very good. Now this one. Mushrooms. Good job. This one. Garlic. Very good. Last one. Cabbage. Excellent. So that was today's lesson. Make sure to practice more. See you soon. Take care.